Hello there. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to be talking about a crucial, yet often overlooked component of our democracy, the state of our voting machines. In this video, we'll explore the current setbacks related to maintaining these critical machines and the potential risks associated with neglecting them. You'll learn why this issue is urgent and what we as a maintenance and reliability community can do to help. When the 2020 presidential election cycle heated up, there was a crucial aspect that didn't make the headlines as much as it should have: the state of our voting machines. Imagine this: 40 states are using voting machines that are at least a decade old, and 45 states are using equipment that's no longer even manufactured. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a major security threat. Issy Lepowski, in her Wired article, sheds light on a startling report from New York University's Brennan Center for Justice. It reveals that 31 U.S. states acknowledged the need to upgrade their voting machines before 2020, but only about a third of them have the necessary funds to do so. Alex Halderman, a professor of computer science and engineering at the University of Michigan, highlighted during a House Appropriations Subcommittee hearing that Congress would need to allocate an additional $900 million to help states replace their direct recording electronic machines to ensure they're fully functional by 2020. But why is this so critical? The costs of not maintaining these machines are staggering. Faulty machines can lead to prohibitively long lines on election day, potentially disenfranchising many voters. Moreover, in an era where foreign governments are eager to undermine Americans' faith in democratic institutions, the risks associated with technological shortcomings in our voting infrastructure are too significant to overlook. So, what can we do about it? It's time for the maintenance community to step up. We need to advocate for better, more reliable preventative maintenance and reliability practices. We need to push for innovation in manufacturing new voting technologies that can stand the test of time. If there's a group that can be the heroes of this election cycle, it's the dedicated folks in maintenance and reliability teams. Remember, the integrity of our elections depends not just on the transparency of the process, but also on the reliability of the technology we use to cast our votes. Let's ensure our voting machines are up to the task. Thank you for investing your time with us today. We've explored the pressing issue of maintaining our voting machines, the risks of neglect, and the role of the maintenance community in safeguarding our democratic process. Remember, the integrity of our elections relies on reliable technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay informed, stay reliable.